Since 2020, the number of patients infected with hepatitis C has been 1,313. The number of patients infected with hepatitis B is 3,476. All of them are provided free medical services and medicines by the government. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha said this while inaugurating the 8th Livercon organized by the Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura. The 8th Livercon was organized by the Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura on Saturday. The Livercon was held at the International Convention Center in Hapania. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha inaugurated the 8th Livercon by lighting the lamp. Later, while addressing the event, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha said that the theme of this year's Livercon is Liver Health for All for the empowerment of the community. Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura has been working in the state of Tripura since 2002. Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura is working to create awareness among the people to protect them from hepatitis B. At the same time, it is providing medical services to the people. About 14 lakh people of the state have been vaccinated against hepatitis B, which is about 37% of the total population of the state. The Chief Minister also highlighted the work being done by the state government to prevent hepatitis. He further said that free treatment services for hepatitis B and hepatitis C are provided in all district hospitals, including GB Hospital. Since 2020, the number of patients infected with hepatitis C is 1,313. All of them are being provided with free medical services and medicines. Since 2020, 3,476 patients infected with hepatitis B have been identified. They are also being provided with free medical services and medicines. Hepatitis B vaccination has been started among high-risk people from April 2025. So far, 6,800 health workers have been engaged in vaccination work.
It is with immense pride and deep sense of responsibility that I welcome you all to Livercon 08, the 8th edition of this prestigious scientific conference hosted by Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura. This platform has over the years brought together some of the finest minds working on liver health from across India and beyond. The theme of this year's conference, Liver Health for All, Empowerment of Community, is both timely and deeply relevant as we continue to strengthen our public health systems and empower our communities to take charge of their health. Let me begin by acknowledging the extraordinary journey of the Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura, which was founded on 28th July 2002. Over the last 2 decades, it has played a pivotal role in raising awareness, immunizing our people, and providing accessible treatment. Nearly 14 lakh people, which accounts for approximately 37% of our state's population, have been vaccinated against hepatitis B, a remarkable public health milestone. Our government has been unwavering in its commitment to eliminate viral hepatitis. Here are some of the key initiatives that we have undertaken. Since 2014, vaccination for hepatitis B is being administered as a part of routine immunization in the state. Services under the National Viral Hepatitis Control Program has been initiated in the state since April 2020. At present, the rapid kit-based diagnosis of hepatitis B and hepatitis C has been made available up to the sub-center level. The viral load testing of hepatitis B and C has been made available by nucleic acid amplification test at all district hospital, Vishalgarh sub-division hospital, and at Agartala Government Medical College. Treatment of hepatitis B and C is available free of cost at Agartala Government Medical College and all district hospitals and Vishalgarh sub-division hospital. Till now, since 2020, total 1,313 active cases of hepatitis C, that is positive on viral load, have been successfully treated under this program. All these patients have been treated with drugs provided free of cost. Since 2020, total 3,476 patients have been detected and put under lifelong treatment of hepatitis B with drugs being provided free of cost. Vaccination of high-risk group population has been started since April 2025 against hepatitis B. Vaccine supply has been received for vaccinating 6,800 health workers in the year 2025-26.
Apart from Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, Health Department Secretary Kiran Git, Health Department Director Tapan Mojumdar, Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura's eminent Dr. Pradeep Bhomik and others were present at the event. Reported by Pranav from Agatla, Chini Khorang.